My name is Gina Smith, and I have been a practicing attorney at this law firm for 32 years. I practice in the area of medical malpractice. Early part of my career was spent representing hospital systems, physicians, healthcare contractors, and later on in my career, I switched to doing exclusively plaintiff work. I love the medicine, and I love finding answers for people, because oftentimes people come and they think something wasn't quite right. They don't know what happened in the course of the hospital visit or stay, and so they come to us looking for answers, and we're able to give them answers because we investigate thoroughly, we speak to experts, and we're able to piece together information and let them know, what caused their loved one's death. So those are the most rewarding cases, giving clients answers, letting them know what happened. So I am born in Washington, D.C., raised in Maryland, in the Silver Spring, White Oak area. So I am a lifetime Marylander. I did live briefly in California. My father did a postdoctorate at Cal Berkeley, and so we lived in the San Francisco area for a couple years, but then we came back here. So I love the state. I left briefly to go to college, went to Rutgers University in New Jersey, and then I came back to go to Georgetown Law School because I just love the DMV area. So I was a political science major, and I just was fascinated by the law. And this is probably kind of quirky, but I was a big LA law fan. And so watching the lawyers do their thing on the show fascinated me, and that's how I got involved. I love to travel. I think seeing the world gives you it, and seeing places up close gives you a great education about that place that you're visiting. And there's so much beauty in the world, and it's not just in your backyard. And I would encourage everyone to try to travel. You can start out small, and then you can go big, or you can, go small for a couple times a year and then go big, go, somewhere that's far away. But yeah, I love traveling. My reputation is that I will call you back. I will answer your call. I always try to put the client first, and I always try to make myself available for them for whatever issue they're having, whatever question they're having. That's just my set of ethics when I take a case and when it's my client. And I think everyone here pretty much subscribes to that as well. So a milestone case I had was we got called in, this firm, to assist with an out-of-state firm who was handling a big construction case. And it's a huge case, and we ended up being successful and got a $4 million verdict with our interest included. And I learned a lot from the lead attorney on the case because he was, I would say, a joyful warrior. He was a real advocate, great enthusiasm, also had some zeness about him. So in a stressful pressure cooker environment of the courthouse, he made the trial fun, which really is important. And I think that the jury felt that energy. And it was a great case, great learning experience. I would have to say my parents inspired me the most. My father was a lifelong learner, brilliant man. He went to MIT. He ended up getting his PhD in physics, and he never stopped learning. He basically taught himself how to invest. He taught himself how to build things. He built our deck, he built our fence. And my mom as well. My mom gave me the attention to detail gene. She demanded 100% attention to detail, and believe me, she was standing over your shoulder, making sure that when you were doing a chore, that it was done with 100% detail.